I have a rack of lamb here, and I'm going to trim off. I already trimmed some off. I'm going to trim off some of the fat here on top. I'm going to cook this in a water bath. I'm going to sous vide cooking it. So I put it and vacuum sealed it into a bag. Salt, pepper, and rosemary. Trimmed off much of the fat. I wanted to leave some on there. And we'll get this into the cooker. This has gone for 2 hours. You can do it anywhere from 1 to 3 hours in your water bath. And I'm going to take it and drain off everything here. Put it on this plate. The fat is nice and soft. It's at the point of rendering very nicely. We'll get some paper towels and dry it off. Feels nice and warm. We'll take away the rosemary. We'll take a tablespoon of butter and about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. We want to heat this up to smoking. It started to smoke, so we're going to put it in the pan. So it's been 1 minute. We'll go ahead and turn it over. Cook for, I don't know, not very long on this side. Okay, that's been 30 seconds. We'll turn it over again. I think it'll go 30 seconds here. Okay. Another 30 seconds. Okay. Turn it over. We'll lean the pan. Put in a cup of cloves garlic and baste. Yes, I know I'm a boring cook. Very boring. That's why I do so many cuts and edits. Another 20 seconds. Ten seconds. Okay, that may have been 4 minutes. I'm not sure. I'm going to take it, place it over here. over here, and I'm going to tint it. Let this rest for 5 minutes. This is rested about 6 minutes. You can go ahead and cut this. Let's plate. We'll place our chops like that. I made some red wine sauce to go with it. Red wine sauce, I'll give you a link in the description on how to make it. It is time consuming to make that, but so well worth it. And put some rosemary so we know it's flavored with rosemary. I think it turned out perfectly. I mean, really. You know, this is kind of a foolproof method for something that's so expensive to buy. Oh my. That red wine gravy is just, that sauce is so good. I want to thank you so much for watching.